Now let's activate Material Ledger in S4HANA in the simple 5 steps. In this configuration, we define 3 currencies for the 3 valuation approaches previously discussed as key features of the Material Ledger. Since the Material Ledger is mandatory in S4HANA, we aim to activate it with minimal setup. To keep it straightforward, we will enable the Material Ledger using only one currency, company code currency. Please follow the configuration path provided in the next screen. Create a new Material Ledger type 9000 using only one currency type, 10. Then, define the characteristics for currency type 10 by selecting the entry and clicking on Define Individual Characteristics. Set the currency type to 10 and enter the short description as company code currency, then save your changes. To make the configuration easy, go to our website www.saplogisticsexpert.com, download the Excel to copy-paste the values. Keep the downloaded Excel file open to copy-paste the values. In simple terms, in this configuration step, Material Ledger type is assigned to Valuation area to activate the Material Ledger for specific parts of our business, like a plant or company code. Think of it like this: you're telling SAP where, which location or valuation area, the Material Ledger should start tracking material costs in multiple currencies and under different accounting rules. Without this step, the Material Ledger won't work in that area. Valuation area in SAP refers to the organizational level at which material valuation is carried out. It determines how inventory values are calculated and managed. In SAP S4HANA, the valuation area is typically set at the plant level, meaning each plant can have its own valuation method and price control. Hence our plants PA10, PA20 and PP10 are our valuation areas. Navigate to the configuration path shown in the next screenshot and assign the Material Ledger type 9000, which is configured in the previous step, to our car business each plant PA10, PA20 and PP10. Step 3. Activate valuation areas for Material Ledger. In this configuration, we turn on the Material Ledger for specific plants or company codes, which are finalized in Step 2, where we want to start tracking material costs more accurately. Here we are telling SAP, start using the Material Ledger in these selected locations so we can manage inventory in multiple currencies and under different accounting methods, like IFRS or local GAAP. Please follow the path as shown on the screen. Select the entries related to your valuation areas and material ledger type 9000. Select ML Act, checkbox and price determination level as 2. There are two options for the price determination level. Option 2 means transaction-based price determination, and Option 3 means single-dash multi-level price determination. Please check our blog for the detail. The value of price determination flows from this config to the material master as shown in the screenshot. This completes the step 3 of activating valuation areas for material ledger. Step 4. Production startup of material ledger. Now it is time finally to tell SAP that we are ready to begin tracking material costs using material ledger. Go live now. Once we run CKMSTART, T-code for material ledger startup, SAP starts recording actual material costs, multi-currency values, and parallel accounting from that point forward. Start up the material ledger in our each valuation area as shown on the screen. You will get log in all green that plant is now productive. With this startup of material ledger in our plants, this step is completed. Now let's review some common errors in S4HANA material ledger configuration and activation along with their resolution. Error 1. Company code is not set up for material management. Error number M3152. This error occurs when we try to make our plant productive with material ledger. To resolve this error, we need to set up company code to which our valuation areas, plants, are attached for material management through T-code OMSY. Please go to T-code OMSY. Position on your company code. Input the current year and current period and save the record. Please set the Allow Back Posting checkmark as selected. Press Enter and save. Run the T-code again to set ML active. This time it should be done successfully. Please see the video How to Fix Posting Period Error in SAP Step-by-Step Guide for all the details related to opening and closing of periods. Link is given in the description. Now let's review the next error. Error 2. Material ledger currencies were changed. Error number C+039. This error occurs when there is a change in the ML currency. Please note that currency selection should not be changed after ML activation, CKMSTART. Please follow the procedure given in the next section to check and resolve the discrepancies in the currencies. Run the transaction code CKM9 and check the material ledger currency type and the given currency. For example, on the screen you can see that the material ledger currency type is 10, means company code currency, and currency is USD. Note down these to check the discrepancy in the next step. Now run the SCC4 and check the currency. This should be aligned to the currency checked in the previous step. If not, then deactivate the material ledger and align the currency. Once currencies are aligned, then reactivate the material ledger. In the example above, ML currency is aligned, hence we are not getting this error. Let us review the next error now. Error 3. ML active checkbox is not selected in Material Master Accounting view. A key indicator of proper material ledger activation is the automatic selection of the ML Act checkbox in the Accounting 1 view during material creation. If this checkbox is not selected, it indicates a material ledger configuration error and material creation should not be proceed. To resolve this, follow the procedure as given on the screen. You may please note down all the steps or take the screenshot of this screen. Let us review the next error. Error 4. ML currencies are not integrated in FI for valuation area. Error FML_cust033. There are 3 possible reasons for this error. Absence of controlling area configuration. Controlling area is configured but not maintained fully. Absence of our company code in transaction SB22. Please check our blog How to Activate Material Ledger in S4HANA in 5 easy steps to check all the 3 steps in the detail. Let us review the next error. Error 5. Error C plus 380 with CKMSTART. This error message, C plus 380, happens if the plant has an inconsistent entry in table T001W. Since our valuation level is on plant level, so in table T001W the field BWKEY, valuation area, must be the same as field WERKS, plant. Let us check in the system. In the above example of our car business, in table T001W the field BWKEY means valuation area must be the same as field WERKS means plant. Resolution of the error C plus 380. When a plant is assigned to a company code in transaction OX18, the valuation area field is automatically populated with the plant values, provided the valuation level is set at the plant level. To correct this issue, remove the existing assignment between the plant and company code in OX18 and save. Then, reassign the plant to the company code and save again. After that, check table T001W and run transaction CKMSTART. The error should now be resolved. With this, material ledger configuration is completed. To gain a clear and complete understanding of material ledger activation, it is strongly recommended to watch the videos in the order they appear within the YouTube playlist. Each video builds upon the concepts introduced in the previous one, ensuring a structured learning experience. Starting from the first video will help viewers grasp the foundational steps and configuration logic, making it much easier to follow and apply the content presented in this current video. Watching the series in sequence will significantly enhance comprehension and reduce the chances of confusion or misconfiguration.